let's discuss the question and answers of this chapter. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath and why? Sorry. Is it mentioned? Anybody from online mode? You will ask for. You'll ask me first, right? Okay, so Shreyanshi says page number 87. All right, yeah. What did Nishad give to Mr. Nath? Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath. The man had opened it and asked him, lost another marble? He had no, obviously recognized my brother. Uh, and thirst. He had taken the man's hand in his own. So he took the man's hand in his own hand and thirst. ठीक है? Thirst यानी कि he put a bar of chocolate into it. Right? Like that, right? Are you able to understand? So that I suppose if it is coming in 1 mark and all, so that will suffice the questions need. इतना ही काफी होगा. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? Anybody from offline? Offline, I would like to know. What was so special? Shubham, what was so special about Mr. Nath's Sunday? Page number 88. Yes, Shreyanshi, now which lines should I read? Okay, okay. So I think we are quite reaching what the question is asking here, right? So what was so special about Mr. Nath Sunday? This is the description. Do you agree? Ramesh told me something very strange. This part, right? Maya 7 added, almost every Sunday he carries two lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man is with him each time. He's tall, fair, stout, and wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. है ना? Understood? People who are online? Right. Now, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? It's quite clear. Yeah. Shailesh, answer. On page number. On page number 88, yes. Yeah, so what meaning do you take from these lines? What was actually happening? Schools was to have होने वाले थे क्या reopen. School was supposed to reopen post holiday, but it did not, right? Was it was it reopened? It wasn't, right? So now, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads. Even if school could have opened, there was so much flood on the road. So how the traffic would move ahead? Because of the flood, right? Because of the flooding streets with a heavy downpour. I mean, it was continuously raining to such an extent that it was almost like a flooded situation. Streets are full, roads are full, water is rising up, and it is coming up to such a height and extent that people will not find it easy to commute, right? It's so tough for them. Am I clear? Any doubt? Do you agree, right? All right. So now let us move towards this next part, which is I wrote in large block letters catching a fruit, expert detectives, Nishad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. Then I began writing. About half an hour later, I turned towards Seven. I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms, reading comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. He looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath which might help us to trap him. I said. Want to hear? Seven nodded. Okay, now I'm feeling a bit of choke throat, so I would like Yashmit to read. Yashmit, read a bit. It's not arc. It's us. Asked. Okay? Tenants. Tenants. Yashmit, is this noise coming from your mic? At the background, some dogs are barking and all. Okay, continue. Right. Thank you, Yashmit. Yashmit, thank you so much.